Sister Girl fans, welcome to the show. I know you don't know me, but we take over the show. This is a Jamaican Sister Girl show. Watch what we're going to do today. All of you, watch how we make the real food. Jerk chicken, jerk veggie. But we're taking over the Sister Girl show. Watch me now. Pablo P, the daddy.
Okay, jumping right in, we're going to add some coconut oil to our skillet and then go ahead and add in our dinner roast. The dinner roast has been marinating overnight in a slurry of some Walker's Wood Jamaican jerk seasoning and some water. And now we're just adding it to our frying pan so that way it can get a nice browning on both sides. Alright, once you're satisfied with the coloring you have on your dinner roast or whatever it is that your brown's doing, go ahead and remove it from the heat and then we'll move on to our next step. So we'll go back in with some coconut oil, and to that we are going to add some onion. So we're going to be using white onion and some green onion as well as some freshly cut tomatoes. While that's sauteing on the stovetop, go ahead and cut up your dinner roast. Alright, and you see those green onions in there looking so beautiful. And to that, my dad is adding thyme and some pimento and then stirring everything together. You'll notice that a lot of these ingredients are similar to what we used in the rice and peas video, and if you haven't seen that, be sure to check it out. And this is the major key right here. You gotta have ketchup. So my dad says that a good brown stew has ketchup in it, so that's what this one has in it. And to that, we'll just add a little bit of water. And then there's a little bit more of that marinade that I told you that the dinner roast was soaking in overnight. So again, Walker's Wood Jamaican jerk seasoning and some water. And now we're gonna add in our cut pieces of dinner roast. And then basically we just mix it around, pop a lid on that thing and let it do its thing. And for color, we decided to add a little bit of some bell pepper. And you guys, that's it. That's really it. So my dad is serving this up over some rice and peas. And if you'd like to see my reaction, my taste test video, it will be on social media, so don't forget to check that out. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.